abundance, gratitude, gratitude. Yes, listen, you see these colors right here? These are the colors that you should be illuminating right here. We do illuminate colors, but a lot of us just illuminate this one color right here. So when you see other races be out there in those rural areas and they be videotaping white objects just sitting there, spinning counterclockwise, and they're changing colors, they're moving slow, and some of them take off fast, and some of them be sitting there and then they just disappear. Those are you. Those are your brothers and sisters. That are a reflection of you. Your soul is neuromelanin, condensed sunlight. Now, in the center of the light spectrum is all of these colors right here. This is why you see the white objects in the sky. Not only that, the sun is now white because the sun is emitting a different energy, a higher energy on the planet. So without further ado, woman, child, and man, cosmos and earth, eternal light, each one reach one. This is how we grow. I see you, my brothers and sisters. Let's get into this sun blood weather update. Here we go right here. So we monitoring this. We're looking at the Magneto's pulse 7/3/23. Earlier when I was doing the update, I said 7/21. So y'all better. I'm gonna look out for that date because I'm a futuristic person. I don't know why I said it, but again, I did. But anyway, here we go. Earth is in the middle. The white side is the daytime side. The black is the nighttime side. These dots right here. These dots right here is what these two satellites are surfing, navigating the planet. And those satellites are goals 18 and goals 16. They're monitoring the solar radiation that is coming from the sun. So the white side right here is the sun facing side. So the sun is over here. This magnetic field right here is supposedly protecting you from harmful radiation from the sun, harmful solar radiation from the sun. I am all that is natural, and all that is natural is me. I don't need any protection from the sun because I am the sun and the cosmos walking in the flesh. Here you go right here. Dark time, the black part, the black hat is the nighttime side. You see all this pressure, all this energy that is coming in. These are ionized particles that are coming in. Solar wind that is coming in, that is charging up the planet and changing every living organism on the planet. Not to mention, just look right here. You see these sharp edges right here? That's a square. This goes all the way down here, and this square actually goes all the way over here. There is something else. I mean, obviously there is something there, but they're covering it up. So they're giving you as much of they are following as much of universal laws as they want to. Let's just put it to you like that. But they're definitely following universal law. So now let's go over to what you would call solar wind 7/3/23 UT time. Here you go right here. Earth is in the middle. The white side is the daytime side. The black is the nighttime side. Now, when you look at this right here, you look over here, how fast this monitors how fast the solar wind. It got all the way up to 624. So 624 kilometers per second equals how many miles per hour? That's well over a million, almost 2 million miles per hour. So the arrows represent the solar wind that is coming. This right here that you see bent is the dome, the magnetic field dome. The same thing that is over here. It just looks different in this graph. So now Earth is in the middle. White side is the daytime side. The black is the nighttime side. Look at these arrows. These arrows represent solar wind again. These arrows should be flowing from the sun because according to them, it's only one sun that is giving off this type of energy. So therefore, these arrows should hit Earth, hit the dome, hit Earth, and some should pass there and then go out into space. However, look at what we have here. We have these arrows reversing. These arrows up here are you can see like these arrows are being pushed. You see how instead of them going, look, you see how they should go straight. They should just be flowing straight. But it seemed like you see how they're being pushed because something is right here. More importantly, I would say now it look like the object moved closer down here. That is literally pushing these particles back into the earth, charging up the planet. And this is changing every living organism on the planet. This is changing every living organism on the planet. These ionized particles is separating the electrons that surf and navigate the atom. The atom is the smallest unit of the building block of a cell. And these atoms are being exposed to UVA, UVB, and UVC radiation. UVC radiation is a detoxifier, a germ killer, a mutating wavelength. So what are we mutating into, my brothers and sisters? This is one thing that people seem to not to discuss when I have this conversation, and they literally, some people go to pull up my IG account and they don't have any of my videos up there. So and then people be getting unsubscribed. Like I don't know what's going on with these people. Again, I don't know why I don't know if I'm telling a lie, if I'm on drugs, I don't know why they got to shadow ban me so bad. But again, the truth is more disturbing than the lie. I told you this already in the age of Aquarius. So look at these arrows right here, reversing back into Earth. Look, this arrow here don't even turn around. Look, this arrow don't even turn. This arrow right here don't even turn that way. It just stay facing towards Earth. Look at these particles. See, the energy is so strong. Look, this coming down here and swooping around. That's how strong this energy is. It is forcing it back. How do we know that? Because we can go over to the magnetos. Pause. And when we go over to the magnetos, pause, look at the energy coming from down there. Look at this coming down, and it's enveloping. Earth is being enveloped with ionized particles. Here we go right here. This is the gold's X-ray flux that monitors ionized particles, charged particles that is coming from the sun. So we go back and we look here. What date is this? July the 2nd. We had an M flare. So go over here. We stay in the C flare phase. It's all of us automatically. We here in the C flares, and then M flares and the X flares. That's when satellites and all the communication get knocked out. So look, we're constantly getting C flares. Here's an M flare. Here's another M flare. Look at the dates. July 2nd. Here's another. Look, these were almost 2 M flares back to back. And then look at this. Almost another M flare. And then look what we have. An X flare. We have an X flare just barely crossed the top. A X flare. What's this? July 3rd. X flare. Yizzo. Get out there and get them CMEs, my brothers and sisters. Get them CMEs. Get them CMEs, because this is happening. This is happening fast. This is changing everyone's anatomy on the planet. And like I said, UVC radiation is on the ground. It is a detoxifier, a germ killer, a mutating wavelength. What is UVC? What are we mutating into? This is something that you must understand and overstand. This is like having surgery, people. This is like having cosmetic surgery. I mean, you are literally changing, and there's nothing that no one can do about it. Nothing that no one can do about it. All of this energy right here that is now enveloping Earth is being worked on 24 hours, 7 days a week, Gregorian calendar. You are focused on. You wanted to be on TV. You wanted the attention. Guess what? You got all the attention right now. We getting all that smoke. All the smoke. We are getting it. So again, I hope you're prepared psychologically and physically for what's coming our way, what's already here, and what's getting ready to shift, the major shift that is going to take place on this planet, that's going to involve all life on this planet. That you all, I appreciate you all. And again, protect yourself at all times with knowledge, sunlight, chlorophyll, distilled water, and 3D human free. Kalama AmunRa, God gene for life. What? Sunblood. I am not black. Gizzo. It's not about one love. It's about whole love, peace, abundance to you all.